Hey guys, welcome back to the coin collecting tutorial. Today we're going to be adding high scores, big coins, and backgrounds. So let's start with the high score variable. So make a new variable. If you're not a scratcher, you might want to skip to making the big coins. But if you are a scratcher, then you'll want to make a new variable called high score and make it a cloud variable. And you'll see a cloud appear behind the variable. Now put an if and between the score and the delete this clone, and then add in greater than, and then if score is greater than high score, set score, no, set high score to score. So what this does is if your score is bigger than the best score, then what you're going to want to do is make your score the high score, like this. So since the high score is 0, now my score is bigger than the high score, so the high score will change, as you will see in the corner. So, pretty cool. Now we should add whose name it is, who has the high score. So let's make a new variable and let's call it high score holder, and then make it a cloud variable, and then set high score holder to username. So the username block just detects your username. So look, if I get the high score, then wait, just give me a second to get the high score. Okay, so now that we have the high score, as you can see, the high score holder has added my name to it. So, now that we have that done, let's add new coins. Okay, go into costumes and duplicate the coin. Now, grab the coin and select one of the corners and drag it out. Now you should have a bigger coin than before after snapping it into the middle. And if you want, you could make it a slightly different color. Okay, so now when I start as a clone, switch costume to pick random 1 to 1 to 2. So now if the costume, there's two ways. So basically there's a 1 in 3% chance for one of these coins to spawn. And now, if you go to the change score by 1, you can add an if. So, actually, let's do an if else for now. If costume number is equal to 1, change score by 1, else change score by 2. Now, you can just put this back in here. Now, what should happen is big coins should spawn. Yeah, look. And they should give you 2 score. Cool. Okay, now that you have your big coin spawning, it's time to add the background. So in the backdrop sprite, you can either draw a background, yourself using the color picker, and maybe you could make it blue, and you could draw some clouds, or you could go into choose a backdrop and you could choose one of these. So I think I'm going to choose the XY grid 30 pixels. So pretty nice. Now you'll have a little grid background. So yeah, today's episode was a short episode, but we added some pretty cool things to the game. Anyway, hope you did well, and hope you have what I have here.